It's a salty life. It's a salty life.
Oh yeah.
Come in.
Well, hello. Welcome. Welcome to beautiful sunny Orlando, Florida, the home of Walt Disney, Universal, all the things, all the places you want to go, right? Anyway, we are at the Drury Inn and Suites. This is pretty new. I think like maybe 6 months old, I'm thinking. So, we've shown you guys Holiday Inns before here. This is a new one for us, the Drury. I've always liked Druries. I think they're nice. They do this is one of my favorite perks of it, the Kickback. They got snackies and drinkies. 3 drinkies per person. So, see, boom, boom. Drinkies. We also have a Disney Springs discount book, which is walkable. It's right down the street. One of the great things about staying here in Lake Buena Vista. What else? They are also affiliated with Disney, so you get early park entry if you stay here, and they have complimentary shuttles. If you go down to the lobby, there's a little scan code. You just scan with your phone and you sign up for a time. You can't just walk down and say, hey, I want a shuttle. You have to schedule one. Anyway, let's show you our accommodations. Let's start with the bathroom, which I'm so used to cruise ship bathrooms. I'm like, this is huge, but we're not on a cruise ship. So anyway, yeah. Kind of reminds me of a cruise ship just because actually there's a big difference. You know what the difference is, cruisers? I'll just give you 1 second. There's conditioner. Yeah, you got it. There's conditioner because there's not conditioner on cruise ships. So anyway, sinks, 1 sink. I said there was 2 sinks in here. There is 2 sinks in here. Looky there. Isn't that fabulous? Got a microwave, got a safe, got a little fridge going, little chair for, you know, right here when you want to get oops. Let's put that back. Teeny tiniest coffee maker ever. Bed with plenty of pillows. That's nice. Little office area. Do not smoke or vape in this room, or it's going to cost you $250 large. By the way, don't do it. Anyway, this is on the odd side, so we do not get a view of the fireworks. I don't believe. I think we have to be on the other side, which is the even rooms. We get a view of the parking lot. I think you can pay a few bucks extra if you want to see the fireworks from your room. You can do that. Anyway, that is the 50-cent tour. I like it so far. Not incredibly expensive. As you know, most Disney resorts are pretty spendy. This was like $154, I think. We got a Florida resident discount, but you can probably count on under $200. There is no resort fee. However, if you drive, $25 a night to park your vehicle. So, anyway, I think that's it from the Drury in Lake Buena Vista. If you're considering a Disney vacation, you might want to check this place out. They have a huge pool, by the way. Saltwater pool, hot tub. There's also a Pizza Hut on premises if you want Pizza Hut. Maybe kids, I don't know. I'm not going to do it, but maybe you want Pizza Hut. So there's a Pizza Hut for your convenience right here. Anyway, that's it for me. It's asaltylife.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel. Sign up for the YouTube. It's absolutely free of charge. Let me twist your arm like this. Sign up for the YouTube, okay? Anyway, that's it. You guys have a great day. See you soon.